Welcome to Storyshell Academy. In this tutorial we will generate AI voice from text. Once you're in your dashboard, click New Story and give it a name. Once you do that, you can add your text by copy-pasting or typing it. The next thing is to select our speaker. We have a wide selection of speakers, dialects, pronunciation styles in multiple languages.
All human beings are born free and equal in dignity and rights.
All human beings are born free and equal in dignity.
Choose the one that is a perfect match for your text. Once you do that, you can click the play button and the preview will start playing.
Choose Scythian Roofworks for roofs that last. Our energy-efficient materials ensure your home stays protected in any weather.
Keep in mind you don't spend off your plan minutes for the preview, only for the exported files. You can export the voiceover from the export button, then you can see how much you will be deducted from your plan and the final length of the voiceover.